All right, hello, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. So yeah, my name is Piyush Raj, and currently I'm almost going into second year of my engineering, right? So the thing is that in this video I'm going to make some announcements, right, that I have been planning from past 1.5 years, right? That I don't know, while I was preparing for the JEE, so I got this keen interest in a subject called physics, right? Though I'm not a very master at it as per the higher level, right? For example, talking to my engineering physics, right, there are still things which bother me a lot, for example quantum physics and all. But right now I'm talking about a class standard, right, which I can be very good at, which is standard 10th, right? Now you might be thinking that why I am jumping directly from standard 12th content to 10th standard content, because reason being I just want to go in a flow, right? I just want to go from down to up. For example, once I will complete the 10th standard physics, then I will jump to 11th standard, then I will go jump to 12th standard, like this way. Cool. So this is my plan. And the time when I was preparing for JEE, I got this thing in my head that okay, there will be a time when I will be teaching physics, not because I want to take out some profit from this, or not because I want to show people that okay, I love physics or something like that, not like that, but just because I am in love with that subject. Cool. There might be a lot of things that I need to learn. I will learn that. There might be things that I'm good at. I will teach that. I will explain that in a very unique way. I will try to do that. So now, like, I have gone through the official syllabus of standard 10th science overall, but specifically in the physics sections, there are certain chapters which I have seen on the syllabus wala part, and those chapters are basically optics section, in which it comes like reflection of light first, refraction, and then human eye, right? And then there comes the core physics, that is effect of current, then magnetic effect of current. Cool. And then there is this topic that is called our environment, in which you will get to learn ecosystem, like the waste management, how to control waste and all, right? So basic things. So मैं ये कहूँगा कि बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड एंड फास्ट नहीं है 10th के फिजिक्स एज़ कम्पेयर टू 11th एंड एज़ कम्पेयर टू 12th, या फिर एज़ कम्पेयर टू JEE लेवल का फिजिक्स. बट ये है कि if I'm telling you कि you can do that in a very well way, so trust me. And अगर मैं कुछ कह रहा हूँ तो obviously there might be reasons, right, behind that. Coming to the point, I will be very much stick to board level का चीज़, right, because I will definitely try to be a little bit upward at some specific point जहाँ पे मुझे लगेगा कि ठीक है, ये इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है तो बतानी चाहिए, थोड़ा सा एक स्टेप अहेड जाके, जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ नॉलेज. बट स्पेसिफिकली मेरा टारगेट होगा कि आपके बोर्ड्स में बहुत अच्छे नंबर आए. नाउ द थिंग इज़ कि ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लोगों ने फिजिक्स पढ़ा रखी है 10th की. वाई शुड आई वॉच योर्स, राइट? अब इसका मैं बहुत ऑनेस्ट या फिर बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूनिक कुछ आंसर नहीं दूंगा, बट या जस्ट लाइक आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव टॉट फिजिक्स इन अ ग्रेट वे. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ठीक है, शायद मैंने भी मतलब या लाइक आई डिडंट वॉच वीडियोज़ इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड, so yeah, I don't know about that. But yeah, आज की डेट में I see a lot of channels which is growing right now in this particular subject. But yeah, I would just say that give me a chance, right, too. And then it's in your hand, right? You decide that should I continue that or not, should you watch my videos or not, right? So yeah, I will definitely try to bring some uniqueness in that. मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि concept आपके दिमाग में feed हो जाए and you don't have to remember the concept for most importantly, right? So yeah, that will be the uniqueness in my thing, that I will not tell you a lot of things that okay just notes पढ़ लेना नहीं. It's like that physics is a subject जो कि आपको फील होनी चाहिए. It's not something which you need to understand. वो तो है, पर फील जिस दिन हो गई फिजिक्स, you will be very great at it. Okay, जब आपको विजुअलाइज हो गया, मैं इधर कंसेप्ट पढ़ा रहा हूँ या कोई कंसेप्ट बता रहा है, and you are having visuals in your mind, तो फिर physics is like best for you, right? And you will do wonders in physics first thing. So this is my plan. I will start with the chapters very soon, because my midterms are over, and yeah, I have already hold myself a lot. Now I'm not gonna hold myself, but anyways, now I will be uploading the lectures of physics about the स्टूडेंट ऑफ 12th, जो कि फिजिकल एजुकेशन एक सब्जेक्ट है जिसके ऊपर मैंने कुछ कंटेंट बनाए थे, कुछ वीडियोस लेक्चर वीडियोस मैंने शूट किए थे टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट, क्योंकि वो अधूरे हैं, इट्स नॉट कंप्लीटेड येट, प्लेलिस्ट इज स्टिल नॉट फुल। सो उसके बारे में बताऊँ कि अगर वीडियोज़ मैं अभी बनाऊँ इट्स नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट मैं वीडियोज़ आई एम थिंकिंग दैट ओके आई विल अपलोड द रेस्ट ऑफ द वीडियोज़ व्हेन द एग्जाम डेट्स विल बी नियर, राइट। मतलब 1 महीने या 2 महीने पहले आई विल फिनिश द एंटायर सिलेबस, बिकॉज या उसमें आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है। बाकी अगर किसी को पढ़नी है तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिकमेंडेड द बुक इनसाइड दैट वीडियो का कमेंट सेक्शन, यू कैन वॉच दैट। So yeah, that's for the student who is looking for the physical education lectures. Physics के lectures will be now coming back to back, and yeah, I will definitely try to teach physics in a very unique way. I will make sure this one thing, that in my lecture you will not get bored for sure, and if it is happening I will not upload that video for sure. मुझे नहीं पता है ये कितने 10th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों तक ये चीज़ पहुँचेगी, ये वीडियो पहुँच रही है, पर लाइक जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं प्लीज़ वॉच इट टिल देन। थैंक यू सो मच एंड have a great day. I wish you all the best, and I will be helping you throughout your academic session 2024-2025, and आगे भी अगर support अच्छा मिला तो। And secondly, सिर्फ subject के lectures नहीं, a lot of things that I have been experienced, I will be sharing that. I will be showing you some harsh reality apart from what you think and what your family members make you think about that. So yeah, that's something जो कि हम कभी और डिस्कस करेंगे for sure. अभी के लिए this was it that I was trying to convey. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and see you in the lecture. Thank you.